Painting a grim picture of the new reality inside some hospitals, tonight the numbers from the CDC reflect our nation slowly slipping back towards crisis. As we surpass 50,000 infections a day, new cases, hospitalizations, even daily deaths are spiking again.
It is one of the most infectious respiratory viruses we know of and that I have seen in my 20-year career.
Struggling to contain the Delta variant, Florida, Texas, and Missouri, 3 states with lower vaccination rates, now account for 40% of the nation's new cases. One Kansas hospital turning away patients as they struggle to manage their own caseload.
We're kind of at a tipping point. Yeah, we're past the tipping point. We're in trouble.
Meantime, in Los Angeles County, construction teams are back at Providence St. Joseph's Medical Center, expanding their just-shuttered COVID ward. In the nation's former COVID capital, new infections have increased nearly 2,000%.
We're talking about reopening COVID wards and all these beds in the hallways. Is that disheartening to see?
It's really, really hard.
Nurse manager Chris Rice says with vaccinations, his team is on the front line of a battle they don't need to be on anymore.
It just feels like we're going backwards. And I know that me and a lot of other people here we are feeling very discouraged, very disheartened, very, in some cases, a little bit angry.
As the CDC heard evidence today on breakthrough infections and discussed possible boosters for those with compromised immune systems, there is some progress in hard-hit states where more Americans are choosing to get vaccinated. Mia Vinard watched her husband Brad lose his battle to COVID through a glass wall after they both became infected.
I wish we would have gotten vaccinated. I mean, one simple shot could have prevented all of this.
Tonight, regret and loss as more families face dark days ahead.
Miguel, there's also a new warning tonight from the NFL to unvaccinated players. What are they telling them?
Well, Lester, the NFL says if a team has a COVID outbreak among unvaccinated players, they may need to forfeit a game. And if that game can't be rescheduled, players might not get paid.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.